They trained you to look sideways, never upward.
Red wing yelling about freedom, blue wing yelling about justice. Both convinced they're righteous, both blind to profits. They handed you slogans, sharpened your hate, pointed you left, pointed you right, kept you busy tearing each other apart so nobody questioned the hype. Bodies stacked under banners and songs, votes cast like bullets loud but wrong. You mistook noise for power, never noticed to stay calm. While fists flew and cities burned, something watched without concern. Never bled, never chose a side, just waited for the return. You were trained to fight the wing, not the thing that owns the sky. There's a bird in the sky, out of reach, out of sight. While the wings kill each other below, it survives every fight. There's a bird in the sky, never touched by the flame. You were taught to hate the wing, never taught who benefits from the pain. Every war is an investment, every riot is a yield. Every time you pick a side, something higher gets a meal. They don't need to pull the trigger, they don't need to spill the blood. They just teach you who to hate, then collect what's left of us. Left wing fed on outrage, right wing fed on fear. Both trained to charge each other while the birds stay clear. You called it ideology, you called it belief, but belief is just a leash when it keeps you from looking beneath. You thought the war was down below, never noticed who never had to go. There's a bird in the sky counting death as gain. While the wings destroy themselves, it remains the same. There's a bird in the sky, patient, fed by time. When the fight leaves nothing standing, that's when it descends to die.
It never debated, it never protested, it never picked a color, it picked the harvest. Division wasn't a mistake, the wings weren't enemies, they were inventory.
You were told the other side was evil, never told who wrote the script. You bled forward, you didn't choose while power never slipped. Every election, every march, every cycle, every spark just fattened both wings equally for the feast after the dark. You thought winning meant survival, you thought losing meant defeat, but the only ones who lose are those who never look up when they eat. There's a bird in the sky, and now you see the truth. Left and right were never rivals, they were raised as food. There's a bird in the sky, and it's circling low. When the wings finish killing each other, it comes down to what's left below. The wings fought for meaning, the bird waited for silence. When the fighting stopped, it finally ate.